So in the last class we had completed types of matrices and some 3.1 exercise problems. So now coming to the next concept, that is operations on matrices. So in the operations on matrices means, so we have to find out the how to adding two matrices and how to subtract two matrices and multiplication of matrices, multiplication of matrix by a scalar. So these are the concepts behind the operations on matrices. So first concept is addition of matrices. First type, addition of matrices. How to add in two matrices, two or more matrices. If A and B are two matrices of order m cross n, then addition of A and B is denoted by A plus B, which is obtained by adding each element of B to the corresponding element of A. Observe, here A and B are two matrices with the same order only, like 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 3 or 3 cross 2. Both matrices must be with the same order. For example, capital A is equal to, I am taking A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is the matrix order. How much? 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 cross 3. This is one matrix A. Let us take second matrix B is equal to B11, B12, B13. Next one B21, B22, B22 and B23. This is also another matrix with order 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. So now, how to add in these two matrices according to the definition, which is obtained by adding each element of B to the corresponding element of A. Observe, their orders must be same, both the matrix, either 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix or 2 cross 1 or 1 cross 2, whatever order you can take, but both matrix orders must be same only. So then addition of matrices denoted by A plus B is equal to A plus B, addition plus A plus B equal to adding of these two matrices. First matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is first matrix plus, and second matrix B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, B23. These are the two matrices. It is equal to. Remember, inside the elements, don't put commas. Don't put commas in the matrices. And again, already you know very well 1 1 1 2 1 3, first row and 3 columns, and again second row and 3 columns. Here, adding of corresponding positions must be added. Corresponding positions. First row, first element, and the second matrix, first row, first element, like A11 plus B11. Corresponding positions must be added. At the same time, second element. Here, second element, and second matrix, second element. A12 plus B12. Next, coming to the A13. This one over, this one also over. Next one, first row, third element. A13 plus third element, second matrix, third element, B13. So first row elements completed. Coming to the second row elements, same corresponding positions. Here first matrix, second row, first element. Here also second row, first element must be added. So A21 plus B21. Next one, A22 plus B22, A22, and again here also B22. Second row third element A23 plus B23 with order how much? 3 cross 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 cross, 2 rows and 3 columns. Here also totally 6 elements. This is the addition of matrices. Now let us take one example of addition of matrices. Example. Let capital A is equal to, I am taking different order 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 5. This order how much? This is the order is 3 rows and 2 columns. Let us take B matrix. B matrix is equal to 4, 5, 2, minus 1, 3, 2. This is the order also 3 cross 2. Not only 3 cross 2, you can take 2 by 2 matrix, that means 2 rows and 2 columns, or 3 cross 3, 3 rows and 3 columns, and again 1 cross 2 and 2 cross 1, that is your interest. So therefore, additional matrix denoted by A plus B equal to, I am taking first matrix A, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 5, plus 4, 5, second matrix 4, 5, 2, minus 1, 3, 2, addition. It is equal to what I told, corresponding elements of first matrix, corresponding elements of first row, first element, and again second row, second matrix, first row, first element. Corresponding elements must be added. So 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4. Next one, first row, first element. Here also first row, first element. Next one, first row, second element, 1 and 5. 1 plus, here also second row, first row, second element, 1 plus 5. Next, at the same time, remaining elements also. Second row, first element, here also second row, first element, minus 1 plus 2. Next one, 2 plus 1, minus 1. Next one, 0 plus 3. Here also third row, second element, 5 plus, here also element 2. Same corresponding positions. It is equal to 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 5, 6, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 0 plus 3, 3, 5 plus 2, 7. So this is the order is 3 cross 2. This order is 3 cross 2. So now coming to the second type, difference of matrices. Difference of matrices means it is the same like the addition of two matrices. Here subtraction. If A and B are two matrices of the same order, say M cross N, then difference A minus B is defined as a matrix C or D. So it is denoted by A minus B. Denoted by A minus B. So let us say capital A is equal to, with the orders are same. Both matrices orders must be same. That means M rows and N columns. For capital A matrix M cross N and capital B matrix M cross N, both are same. So let us take A is equal to A11, A12. This is A21, A22. I am taking square matrix. This is the order is 2 cross 2. And second matrix B is equal to B11, B12, B21 and B22. This is the matrix order is 2 cross 2. So both matrix A and B having same order. Then difference of two matrices denoted by A minus B is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 minus B11, B12, B21, B22. That is equal to. So how to find out the difference between two matrices? Here corresponding positions. So both matrices corresponding positions must be subtracted. In addition, we have to take addition. Here subtraction, both elements must be subtracted. So first row, first element A11 and minus here B11 A11 minus B11. Next one, second element. Coming to second element. First row, second element A12 minus. Here also first row, second matrix. First row, second element B12. Next, coming to the second row, first element A21. Second row, first element A21 minus second matrix, second row, first element. So corresponding positions A21 minus B21. Next one, second row, second element A22 minus. Here also second matrix, second row, second elements B22. So what you observe is corresponding positions and corresponding positions must be subtracted in difference of two matrices. While in addition, corresponding position must be added. Here subtraction, both elements. Third operation. Here, scalar multiple of a matrix. Scalar multiple of a matrix. What is the scalar? Scalar means what? It is any constant like negative values or positive values. Any one constant. Scalar multiple of a given matrix. So let us take capital A be any matrix of order m cross n. Any order, either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, 2 cross 3 or 3 cross 2 or 1 cross 2, 2 cross 1, whatever the matrix. And K be any scalar or constant term. Then the scalar multiple of Ka. K is also a matrix. K into A is also a matrix with scalar K is a matrix of the order m cross n and its elements are obtained by multiplying each element of A by K. Let us take capital A is equal to, I am taking example, capital A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. I want phi A is equal to, I want phi A. Here phi is nothing but scalar. Remember, phi is nothing but scalar because phi is constant term multiplied with given matrix A. So 5 into A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. So how to multiply scalar with the given matrix? Scalar multiple of a matrix, nothing but what? It is a matrix when multiplied by constant or scalar phi by multiplying each element of A. By multiplying each element of A by the scalar. Here K is nothing but scalar. Here K is what? 5. So it is denoted by Ka is equal to, K is 5. 5 into A is equal to 5 into given matrix. Here K is scalar. I am taking 5. In place of K, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And my negative value is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. It is equal to 5 into multiply each and every element with 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. 5 sixes are 30. This is the order is 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Remember, it is also a matrix. A is the given matrix, 2 cross 3. At the same time, 5A is also a matrix with same order, 2 cross 3. Let us take another example. A is equal to 2 minus 1, 2, 5, 2, 3. This is the order, 3 rows and 2 columns. I want minus 2A is equal to, here minus 2 nothing but the scalar. Minus 2 nothing but constant term, negative term. So minus 2A is equal to, so minus 2 into 2 minus 1, 2, 5, 2, 3. It is equal to minus 2 multiply minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus into minus, that is plus 2, minus 2 to minus 4, minus into this value, minus 10, minus 4, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. So what is the definition of scalar multiple of a given matrix? Multiply each term by scalar, each and every element, not only single element, all the elements multiplied with scalar. Next, coming to the fourth operation, negative of a matrix. Definition of a negative matrix. The negative of a matrix is denoted by minus a. Denoted by minus a. What is the meaning of minus a? Is equal to minus 1 into a. Already I told in the last scalar multiple of a matrix operation. Here minus 1 is nothing but it is also a scalar. Scalar multiple of a given matrix. Minus a is nothing but treat as negative of a given matrix. So let us say, let capital A is equal to, you can take 2x minus 1 and root 2. This is the order is 2 cross 2 matrix. I want minus a. So minus a is equal to, here how to write minus a value? Minus a is nothing but what? Internally negative value multiply with all the elements. Minus value multiply with each and every element. That is called negative of a matrix. So internally minus is nothing but what? Minus 1 into a. That is nothing but one single minus. So minus 1 into a is equal to minus 1 into what is capital A matrix? 2x minus 1 root 2. It is equal to multiply negative value multiply with all the elements. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus 1 into x minus x. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1 minus into 1 into root 2 minus root 2. This is the order 2 cross 2. For example, another example, let capital A is equal to minus 5, 2 and 3. This is the matrix is what? Column matrix. This is the order is 3 cross 1. I want minus A is equal to, so minus of A is nothing but minus 5, 2, 3. So multiply negative with all the given elements. Minus 2 minus plus 5 minus 2 and minus 3. So this is the order 3 rows and 1 column. This is the column matrix. This is the square matrix. You can take any matrix. You get the negative of a matrix. So up to now we have seen addition, difference of two matrices, multiplication of a scalar and negative of a matrix. Next one, properties of matrix addition. Here we have totally 4 conditions, matrix addition. First one, commutative law. Commutative law means any two matrices, if A and B are two matrices of the same order, say M cross N, then commutative law is equal to matrix addition is possible when A plus B equal to B plus A. Both matrices orders must be same. Commutative exists in addition. Associative law. For the associative law means take 3 matrices A, B, C or any 3 matrices with the same order, then formula A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. What is the meaning? First addition of these 2 matrices, you will get one matrix, then adding to the third matrix, you will get one matrix. A plus B plus C, also a matrix. This is one matrix, this is one matrix. Addition of A plus B and C is also one matrix. It is equal to, first find out B plus C matrix. Next one, adding to given matrix A. So then addition of A plus B minus C is also a matrix. This is the associative condition. Existence of additive identity. Additive identity means here O is the additive identity. Additive identity, 0 matrix. A plus 0 matrix or null matrix equal to O plus A is equal to A. For any matrix adding with null matrix, you will get the original matrix. A plus 0 matrix is equal to 0 plus A is equal to original matrix given matrix A, where O is called the additive identity for the matrix addition. Last condition, existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse. A is one matrix, there exists one matrix, negative of the matrix minus A. When adding these two matrices, plus A minus A gets cancelled, you will get null matrix. A plus minus A or minus A plus A. Adding into these two matrices, it gets null matrix or zero matrix, where minus A is called the additive inverse of the given matrix or negative of matrix A. Next, coming to the properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. In the previous concept, that is what? Properties of matrix addition, that is over. Now, scalar multiplication of a matrix. So, here A and B are any two matrices with the same order. Orders must be same, remember. A and B be two matrices with the same order. Let us say M cross N, and K and L are any scalars, any two scalars. K and L, K is scalar, L is also scalar. Then property 1, K of A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb. K is one scalar, A is one matrix, B is also another matrix. First find out these two matrices. This is addition of two matrices multiplied with scalar. Multiplied by scalar. K of A plus B is equal to K into A plus K into B. What is in the right hand side? What is the meaning of K? It is a scalar multiple of matrix multiplication by K, and B is another matrix multiplied by K. Ka plus Kb. It is also a one matrix. K is one matrix. Kb is also another matrix. Then addition of these two matrices is also a new matrix. It is also one matrix. K plus L into A. K plus L into A equal to, this is scalar, this is scalar. Addition of two scalars is also a scalar multiplied with given matrix capital A is equal to K into A plus L into A. It is the scalar multiplication. It is also a scalar multiplication of the given matrix LA. It is also a scalar multiplication of the given matrix L, given matrix A. So K and L are both are constants or scalars. So these are the two properties, scalar multiplication of the given matrix.